In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook is a powerful email client that is widely used in both professional and personal settings. If you're new to it or need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate its key features smoothly. Upon launching Microsoft Outlook, you'll immediately notice a few crucial sections designed to keep your productivity flowing. Let's start with the left sidebar. Here, you'll see icons for mail, calendar, people, and tasks. Each of these icons represents a different function within Outlook. Mail is where you'll spend most of your time handling emails, composing new messages, and managing your inbox. The calendar icon will take you to all your scheduling needs, whether it's setting up meetings, appointments, or viewing your schedule at a glance. The People section acts as your contacts database, allowing you to store and manage your contact information efficiently. Finally, the Tasks section is like a to-do list, helping you keep track of your tasks and projects. Now let's move on to the middle pane, which is central to your email experience. Here you'll see the inbox or whichever folder you are currently in. This area is where your emails are listed, allowing you to swiftly browse through them. As you click on an email, the reading pane, also located in the middle pane, will display a preview of the message. This feature is particularly handy because it allows you to glance at the contents of an email without the need to fully open it. This way, you can quickly decide whether an email needs immediate attention or if it can wait a bit longer. Next, we'll focus on the ribbon at the top of the screen. This is essentially your toolkit and contains a variety of functions like creating a new email, deleting unwanted messages, and archiving those you'd like to keep for future reference. The beauty of the ribbon is its customizability. You can tailor it to fit your individual preferences and workflow, which can significantly enhance your productivity. By customizing the ribbon, you ensure that your most used tools are easily accessible, saving you time and effort in the long run. So, whether you are organizing your inbox, scheduling a meeting, maintaining your contacts, or prioritizing your tasks, Microsoft Outlook's intuitive interface is designed to streamline all your email-related activities. By familiarizing yourself with these key sections, the left sidebar, middle pane, and ribbon, you'll be well on your way to becoming an Outlook Pro. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on